Hey guys, I'm back, and today we are going to be doing another bottle chase video. Okay, come on, Papa, and here's my cute old puppy. Come here, and like I'm gonna slide out because and now not that dark. Oh man, my fingers in the way. And here's my hound dog, Milo. Okay, now. Okay, so like here's the bottle. Code red. Okay, Papa. Go fast. He's got out through. Okay, he's got, oh man, he's going under the table. He's going under the, okay, he's got it. Soul dodges. Oh, wait, is he going on, what the heck is going on under there? What the heck? Oh! And how are you trying to get on your bed? What the heck? Oh! This dog is crazy. Ah! Come here, Papa. He's going on the couch and nothing. It slipped off. He just shut the right off his hands. Boom. Where's the bam? Oh yeah, and James, if you are watching this, thank you for subscribing. And like James is a friend from school. He has his own YouTube channel. And if you don't know him, I suggest you go check it out. It's called James Modern Warfare 3 and more. Okay, so, made my fingers on the way. So I'm gonna try to get the bottle from him. Got the bottle. Oh. Okay, so I'm just gonna throw it. Bam. Oh man. What the heck? Oh man, he's going to the kitchen. He's going to the kitchen. Okay, let's go back in the living room. What is wrong with this dog? I'm gonna pet him. Now he's trying to get the bottle open and try to drink the pop out of it. That's basically what he does. This smart old dog. Come on, Papa. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. Try harder. You can do it. You can do it. Papa, you can do it. You can do it. Okay, now let's see if he growls at me. If I touch it. And I am recording with my iPad. Oh, yep, he growled at me. Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, like and subscribe, and comment please. Okay, goodbye.